wrapping paper I'm gonna use right there. And because I don't want to use that gold wrapping paper. So yeah. Okay, see, I have all of my gifts wrapped. Okay, like, and what, we're one day out. So I just want to come in and just thank everybody for supporting me here on my channel. If you're new here, hit subscribe. I'm Miss Virgo Creativity. I like to haul, I like to do vlogs, I like fitness, fashion, and things like that. So just go ahead and binge watch my channel so that you will get a feel of what my channel is about. So, if you weren't able to buy gifts this holiday season, okay, that's fine, because your presence is a present, okay? So, you know, that's what I'm on, and I'm just looking forward to my channel, for my channel to continue to grow. Okay, can I get that out? Okay, my space is getting a little messy because I'm trying to go ahead and bag all of this up so it could get shipped out, and then everything that's coming to me come to me. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right now. But I want to wish everyone a very happy, the most brightest and healthiest holiday that you can ever imagine, however you celebrate this time of the season. And it's okay by me. Okay, so there are costless gifts. We don't have to spend money. If you're not able to, just let people know how much you appreciate them. You can give words of encouragement and things like that. Okay, so that's what I'm on. Okay, so I'm looking for my channel to grow, and I'm in good standing with YouTube and Google, same entity. So it has been a ride. Okay, somebody tried to, like, was wrongly flagging my channel. So I hope they're not doing it, because you're just wasting your time. As long as YouTube is around, I'm going to be here. So looking forward to 2021. Okay, and I'm ready to throw 2020 behind me and move forward in a most abundant new year. It has been a long year. So that's what I'm on. I've been to the grocery store. I hope you like my refrigerator tip. And yeah, I love to cook grits, and that's how I make my grits, so they could be soft and creamy. Okay, so that's all I'm doing. That's just an update for me, and I might not end up coming back and uploading the video until what would be the next year. Okay, so I'm just going to just take this time and just hone into myself, keep doing my mirror work, seeing what I want to do, new adventures. If I want to start something new, I will. I was thinking about changing my channel name, but I don't know. If you come back and you see my channel name changed, then just know that I was thinking about it for quite some time. And like I said, nothing but warm well wishes. Happy holiday season to you and yours, and a beautiful, blessed, abundant new year to come. Okay, 2021. Okay, so yeah, peace. Okay, now here is my grocery store haul. I end up going to Kroger, Food for Less, same thing. I end up picking up some burrito shells, some brown and served biscuits, some white and wheat bread, and I also end up picking up some Ritz crackers. Okay, now I love to have Ritz crackers with orange juice. Like, I just so love it. Yes, so those brown and served rolls, I'm just going to throw them in the oven, put a little butter on them. Okay, now you can roll your pie crust out with a rolling pin, and no one will ever know that they're store bought. Okay, so I'm going to share a quick little tip to help with your refrigerator and shelf life, okay, of your goods. So yeah, and I have some more orange juice, some Minute Maid juices, berry punch, peach punch, tropical punch, and a strawberry lemonade. Okay, and then coming up next are my favorite coffee creamers, which I love to have. And yeah, just a drink for the toast. Okay, a toast. Okay, now I have my veggies here: a head of lettuce, some green peas, some more green peas, and then I think those
those are snap peas there too as well, okay? Some squash that was given to me, and some green onions, some tomatoes, some carrots, and an onion, okay? So what I'm going to do is end up taking my veggies over to the sink and give them a rinse. Okay, now back over to the counter. I have some brown and served breakfast sausages, which I'm going to take this diced chicken and make a meal out of it for Christmas, okay? So I have some ground turkey and some pollock fish. Oh, I'm really liking pollock now, okay? Some cotta salami and some party drumettes, okay? And also I have some toothpaste, okay, some yellow dial soap, some ivory, some white plastic bags for the trash can, some Downy, some butter, some bananas, some blueberries, okay, and some canola oil, some more brown and serve sausages, the maple ones, some cookie dough, okay, chocolate chip by the way, some best food real mayo, yes, some mushroom soup there, and I have, and what is that, an avocado? Yes, that's an avocado, and some more cake mix, and some mangoes, okay, and some taco seasoning packs. So yeah, I think this pretty much is my haul. So I think we're gonna head on over and see what we can do with the refrigerator. Okay, so quick little tip that I learned over the years. Okay, now when you're in your refrigerator, what you want to do is called first in, first out. So whatever you put in first, that's what's going to head to the front, and what you recently bought, newly purchased items, are going to go in the back. Okay, so it's first in, first out, and that would help, you know, your shelf life, you know, with your goods, okay, that you go and get from the grocery store. So first in, first out, okay, and that's what it's called. So let's look at my creamy, buttery, yummy grits. Okay, so I just basically love to cook my grits and mashed potatoes in a stainless steel pot, and I love to have a stainless steel utensil to basically stir and, you know, mix up my grits. Okay, I just think that the consistency of the grits comes out, just the texture comes out even more smoother, okay, if that makes sense. Okay, so I just basically get fresh spring water and put it in my stainless steel pot and stir very, very, very well. Okay, let the water come to a slight boil, and then I'll go ahead and put in my grits. Okay, now I don't dump my grits all in at the same time. I basically do the sprinkle method, where you just sprinkle a little in and then add a little bit more. So I love to add in brown sugar. Now as you can see, I will put in 1 teaspoon, and then I will put in another, which will give me 1 tablespoon. Okay, now I'm going to add in some butter and as well as margarine. Okay, yes, that's what gives it that creamy texture. Okay, now it's up to you if you want to add in milk. I like to just add in more water and just basically keep stirring and blending all of the ingredients together. Okay, now I find the more that you stir and whip up the grits, the creamier the texture is. Okay, and also add in more water. So that's just a quick little tip for my refrigerator and as well as my grits.
Hey, okay, this is the long awaited, okay? This what's in this box. Yes. Yes, it's long awaited, it's long overdue. Let's see what's in this box.